this thing, and it's gonna be really amazing because here we can see the monthly earnings and here we can see the subscribers. So for the last 30 days, since last 30 days they have acquired near about 400k subscribers, and that's huge and that's really a great milestone, we can say. Guys, and today in this video, we are going to be understanding something that's super simple. And we are going to be making a no face channel with this. And you can also try this out very easily. So let's go into my PC and let's see what it is. Now we can see a channel which is known as Brightside. I think most of us know about Brightside. So what does they do is very simple. They make this type of clickbaity kind of, which is in an ethical way. They make clickbaity content and it just works like anything. For example, see, 6 hours ago they made 38k views. So they make this kind of content and it's just awesome because you know what, the all the videos that you're gonna see, there are near about 40 million. It's gonna be near about 40 million subscribers within few days, we can see. So they make all these kind of videos and these are no face. That is, there are no people who are into this video. That is, you yourself can do something like these. Now, how can you do something like this? Let's go on to Social Blade right now. And what is Social Blade? Social Blade is a YouTube analytics or a analytics platform where you can easily be able to understand and generate some good amount of analysis or data so that you can understand in a very depth way. And here we can see the bright side. The number of videos that is being uploaded is massive, it's huge. So they have got near about 3,799 videos, and that's super awesome. You know what's the coolest thing that you can get? It's that the subscribers. See, they have got near about 40 million subscribers, and it's a US based channel, and it's a the type of channel it is. It's a how to niche. Okay, now we come into this thing and it's gonna be really amazing because here we can see the monthly earnings and here we can see the subscribers. So for the last 30 days, since last 30 days they have acquired near about 400k subscribers, and that's huge and that's really a great milestone, we can say. So keeping up the pace, we can easily see that it's gonna be really 40 million this month as of April 2021. So it's gonna be easily be covering 40 million subscribers. And the best thing of all is that they are getting 158.248 million views each and every single month. So let's talk about monthly earnings. So their estimated monthly earning is near about 39.6k to 633k, and it's pretty good. Here comes the yearly one. It's 474k to 7.6 million. Yes, with million with an M. Okay. So this is pretty good. And we can see that daily average is near about they're getting that is 505 million views, we can say, each and every day. It's not a thing that we all every day see something like these. And they are generating a revenue. They're making it about for the default seat. So the default estimated CPM range for Social Blade is 0.25 to $4. Okay, so now here comes the CPM. So, okay, so they're generating near about 1.3k to 21.1k. So we can say that it is on how to niche. So they're generating near about 17 to 18k per day, 17 to 18k per day. And the weekly averages is near about 147.7k. So they're making near about 100k per week, and that's quite massive. Now, how can you actually do something like this? See, for that you just need two things. First of all, you need an audio and you need a video. So for audio you need a script, and you can use that script and you can make videos. So what you can do, if you're a beginner, you can just go on to Fiverr and you can just write voiceover artist if you don't want to showcase your own voice. But if you want to, You can do it. You can just hire a script writer from Fiverr itself, and you can use a special link that I have given on, that is of Vidnami. So what happens on Vidnami is very simple. You can make similar kind of videos like these, and whenever you give the script, you give the voice, the whole thing actually gets automated, and you get a freshly baked content, a freshly baked video, which is being made under 5 minutes. That is, artificial intelligence works, and they make the video so beautifully, and you understand this thing. So you get your videos getting from story blocks or creative commons, and it is being licensed. So you don't need to take care of all the things, that is, if it's gonna be monetized or not. It's definitely gonna get monetized, so you don't have to worry about it. What you have to do is very simple. You just need to go on to Vietnami. I have given a link on the description below, where you can enjoy 14-day trial. I think it's a 14-day trial that is being given right now, so you can try it out. It's an awesome way, so that when you start, and after that you can give animations and all that. If you have money right now, and if you don't want to spend much, and if you think that you have some money left and you want to use it as an investment, I would say Vidinami is one of the best opportunities that you can easily take, so that you have the real power to grow your money, and you can use it as a business if you want. And if you're really passionate about one thing, do that thing, because don't focus on multiple things. I know Vidnami is, you can make different kinds of videos, but the best thing will be when you're starting out, focus on one single thing, and that is going to change the whole dynamics. That is going to give you an extra edge, and you are simply going to win. So for example, here we can see all the voiceover artists. So they're going to let me just change it out onto USD, because that's going to be convenient for most of the people. Now I have changed it to USD. See, you can see, even you can start a service. You can set the budget from $5 itself, to from $5 to maximum $5, and you just apply it out. Now you're gonna get the result. Like, I will record and produce a professional German female voice. I will do a okay. I will do Portuguese voiceover and all that. I will record a French Canadian voiceover. So that's how you can easily do things like these, and you can easily make. See, I will record your British English voiceover. Awesome, right? He has got 1K. That is, he has done 1,000, more than 1,000 projects itself. So it's typically really good. So it's very simple. And that's how you can make videos like of like bright side, and you can easily be able to showcase your own talent, and you don't have to show your own face. Even if you don't want to use your own voice, you don't have to use your voice. So it's a no face, no voice thing that can be easily be done, and it's gonna be worth it. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the whole video, and if you have any questions, do comment me below onto the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so that you get the best of the best, and you know how you actually can be able to create videos, and you have in which you have on your passion, and you know exactly what are the things that are required, so that you can be the best at the game. Up till then, bye for now. Bye.